What is covered for damages intentionally caused by guests?
So this is a great question and one that needs to be discussed more. We publish a lot of information on our website and our blog about the difference between intentional damage, aka vandalism. That's what intentional damage is, vandalism, and then accidental damage by a guest, right? And we have a video that we send around, and it really just holds true, and it's a perfect example. There was a gentleman who had a vacation rental policy, a dwelling policy, and unfortunately there was a party at his house, $13,000 in damage, and his insurance company denied the claim, even though the policy was branded as a landlord vacation rental policy. So how could they possibly deny the claim? The reason being is there's an exclusion or limitation in the policy. Remember, everything's exclusions based that says there is no coverage for intentional damage caused by a guest, vandalism. To me, that's fundamentally one of the biggest differences in our policy versus our competitors' policies. Because if you think about it, why would you ever buy insurance that could potentially deny a claim from intentional damage caused by your guest? That's the whole reason you buy vacation rental insurance. What if I get that one terrible guest and they destroy my property? So you have to pull out your insurance contract. You have to search for the word intentional and vandalism, and you need to ask your insurance agent about it. That's one of the reasons we're significantly more expensive than our competitors, is because we have no limit on damage caused by a guest. It's up to the subject to interpretation by the insurance carrier. Now, if two brothers get into a wrestling match and they go through the drywall and it's a $2,000 claim, was it intentional? Was it accidental? It's ridiculous. Was it intentional damage? Was it accidental damage? It's absurd, okay? You have to have no limit on vandalism, or AKA damage caused by a guest. So really, really important question, and one that all vacation rental owners need to understand and find out if they have coverage in their policy.
Thanks, Darren.